Cano, I'm a ceramicist, and I'm currently working on a series called Repli. It started last year when I moved into a studio where I could have all my pieces under one roof. I could review my work and get ready to make new pieces. In the meantime, we were all going through lockdowns and we had to reinvent ourselves with what we had at hand. So in response to this, I made work with what I had around me. I broke pieces I didn't like and joined them with other fragments. And doing this put the material under stress and pressure. And this is what this work is about. It explores the fragility and resilience of clay, and it mirrors how we had to adapt to our new lives during the pandemic.